Hello, everyone, and welcome back to this video series where we'll be tackling critical issues and the solution. Today, we are diving into the topic of how generative AI is driving a creative revolution across industries. I'm joined by Roha Ali Khan, who's the innovation consultant at Nine Sigma and the author of our recent case study. Hello, Roha.
Hello, Aya.
Can you tell us how generative AI is making creativity more accessible and transforming industries?
Yes, creativity has always been a cornerstone of success and growth in businesses. And generative AI is a groundbreaking technology that is transforming creativity by automating content creation and therefore solving a lot of complex problems quickly and efficiently. So, whether it's by generating text, images, audio, or synthetic data, businesses and enterprises can use generative AI to tap into their creative potential on a scale that was completely unimaginable just a few years ago. And we see that industries like the healthcare sector, the education sector, as well as the manufacturing industries are already putting Gen AI to use and benefiting from it.
So you mentioned the healthcare as one of the key industries. Could you share an example of how generative AI is making a difference in this field?
So, in healthcare, generative AI is transforming everything from drug discovery to diagnosis to personalized treatment plans. For instance, we know of the biotech company Tempus, who has launched a clinical assistant tool that's using Gen AI to provide clinicians access to patient insights directly at the tips of their fingers. Not only this, we also know giants like Pfizer is using Gen AI to assess and collate large amounts of contextual data to better figure out trends and to identify more accurate and new oncology targets. And not only this, Pfizer is also using Gen AI to create the first drafts of patent applications as well as generate medical and scientific content, which can then later be verified and finalized by the human eye.
And what about its impact in areas such as education and environmental sustainability?
So, in the education sector, generative AI is personalizing learning experiences by creating tailored materials and predicting better student outcomes. So, this is something that will help educators address individual learning gaps earlier on in the process and more effectively. And you also asked me about the environmental front. So we see that companies like LanzaTech are using Gen AI to develop biomaterials and sustainable production processes, all of which is an essential and crucial part of tackling challenges related to carbon capture and climate change.
And how can businesses navigate through the challenges of generative AI, challenges such as ethics and data privacy?
Yes, great question. So, just like with any other technology, generative AI offers immense potential, but it also comes with its sets of concerns. So, concerns around data privacy, algorithmic bias, and accountability. So, businesses must approach any sort of tool implementation with a lot of responsibility and with a strong emphasis on ethics and transparency. So, open innovation, as we see in this case study, can be a very effective way to address all of these challenges by fostering collaboration and also by sharing expertise across different industries and enabling people to deploy tools in a much more responsible way within their organizations.
Speaking of open innovation, how does Nine Sigma support businesses in leveraging the collaborative approach to get the most out of generative AI?
At Nine Sigma, our open innovation programs connect businesses with a global network of experts and partners. And this is a collaborative approach that allows companies to access cutting edge AI tools, share their knowledge, and co create and co develop solutions that would address their unique requirements and unique challenges. So, by leveraging a platform like this, businesses can stay ahead in a rapidly evolving landscape of AI and generative AI, while ensuring that they are doing it in the most responsible and ethical way in whatever technology or tool they're using. If you would like to learn more about this topic, there is a case study on our website at www.9sigma.com, and this case study delves deeper into what we've discussed today.
Thank you, Roha, for your time and this enlightening discussion.
Thank you, Aya. It was a pleasure.